Okay, today I'm going to document the process that I've been using to collect air flow rate and water flow rate measurements on the air boosted pre-rinse spray valve nozzle. I'm collecting the data passively instead of actively in order to not disrupt the stream. If I put a flow meter in the channel, that affects the actual operation of the device. So by measuring passively, we get a higher accuracy reading due to both not disrupting the flow and because we can make measurements of the pressure and temperature of the tank and the mass of the water that was shot out to a much higher precision than we can by trying to read an active flow meter that's read instantaneously off the device. So it's not as fast, but for low levels of data collection and about maybe the dozens of trials that need to be run, it's fairly effective and should give us a good idea of what's happening in terms of different pressures and different openings of the needle valves. So we can check okay, vary the air pressure from 42 psi up to 60 psi and get an idea of how the water flow rate, the pressure, the cleanability all changes as that variable changes. And then do the same thing by adjusting the needle valves for the airflow rate and the water flow rate. And we kind of get an idea of how effective or maybe where the optimal range of cleanability versus how much air it's using, how much water it's using. But we need good numbers to do that. So in order to capture that data, I have, let me see if I can switch this mid-video. All right, no